Hi guys, today I'm back with another video. This video is going to be short. I just want to review what I got from Nike today because I'm in America right now for my summer holiday. So I'm about to show you silver safari boots. Nike. These are 2021. I just bought them today. I already removed the laces. I tried them out and it's fire. These are the April 2021 ones, yeah. And they're size 4. And I have the latest boots ever. And every boot must have white laces. Or depends on the color of the boots. So these are kind of white boots and they have white laces. Thank you for watching this.